नमस्कार, मैं हूं दिव्यांजलि मोइत्रा। बिग बॉस 14 में इस बार सीन पलट चुका है। इस बार का कॉन्सेप्ट काफी हटके। सीनियर्स और फ्रेशर्स का ये कॉन्सेप्ट लोगों को काफी पसंद आ रहा है। सभी जानते हैं कि इस सीजन में सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला, हिना खान और गौहर खान 2 हफ्ते तक हिस्सा लेने पहुंचे। सीनियर कंटेस्टेंट की जिम्मेदारी है कि वो घर के कामों का बंटवारा करें और कंटेस्टेंट्स की मुश्किलें बढ़ाएं। वहीं लोगों का बार बार यही कहना है कि इनके अलावा बिग बॉस 13 की जान शहनाज कौर गिल को भी घर के अंदर आना चाहिए। लेकिन शहनाज का इस पर क्या कहना है, आइए आपको बताते हैं। शहनाज ने घर में प्रवेश के लिए एक शर्त रखी। शहनाज का एक वीडियो सामने आया है जिसमें वो बता रही है कि किस शर्त पर वो बिग बॉस के घर के अंदर जा सकती। वीडियो में शहनाज कहती है, मेरा खत्म हो गया, क्यों जाऊं मैं दोबारा, मुझे क्या जरूरत है बिग बॉस में आने की, मेरे को तो सब कुछ मिल गया जो मुझे चाहिए था। अब अगर मैं गई तो मेहमान के तौर पर जाऊंगी। हेलो, हाय, ओके, बाय। वहीं से पहले भी एक वीडियो शहनाज का सामने आया था जिसमें जब उनसे पूछा गया कि वो बिग बॉस 13 को याद कर रही हैं, तो शहनाज कहती हैं, मैं क्यों याद करूंगी, मुझे तो पूरी दुनिया याद कर रही। वैसे देखा जाए तो शहनाज को शो में देखने के लिए फैंस बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं। सभी जानते हैं बिग बॉस 13 में शहनाज ने ऑडियंस को जमकर एंटरटेन किया था। ये एक ऐसी कंटेस्टेंट थी जो कौओं से भी बातें किया करती थी। उनके और सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला की जोड़ी लोगों को इतनी ज्यादा पसंद आती थी कि ट्विटर पर आए दिन सिडनाज ट्रेंड किया करता था। क्या आप चाहते हैं शहनाज बिग बॉस 14 के घर में एंट्री मारे या नहीं, हमें कमेंट बॉक्स पर लिखकर जरूर बताएं और बिग बॉस 14 से जुड़ी तमाम खबरों को जानने के लिए बने रहें हमारे साथ।
Yeah, so the people who convinced me are Sheetal and Manisha, and also the show itself. When I'm going through it, it's quite a tiresome show, and it's a difficult, very difficult show to handle. So you have to keep on watching each episode twice, and then refresh your memory just before you're going up on stage. So that takes a lot of work. So and then also when you see some contests happen in the house, then you have to call up and find out ye shuruaat kahan se hui thi, who started it off. So it takes a lot of watching the show, and sometimes you love watching the show, and sometimes the things that happen in the house you can't stand them. But I guess this is the format of the show. So first when I got into Big Boss, it was very organic. People came in, they actually played the game, they didn't know the game, they were being themselves. Then after the 6th, 7th season, then they became Shahnaaz. They had watched the game and they knew that there's some things that they would do, they would be noticed and they'll be watched. So then they started doing that. So once I started understanding, now these guys are actually playing the game. They are aware of what they're doing. So I myself started taking it easy on them because they've grown up people. This is the path that they want to take and this is how they want to play the game. So I, took it easy on them. But sometimes, it's because you're watching it on television, you are, kids are watching it too, and your parents and senior citizens are watching this game, and sometimes it goes too much, too overboard. So when that happens, then I step in, and then I do what I have to do. So every single day you keep on, every single moment, every single day you keep on learning something or the other. But there are so many times from Big Boss, I see somebody reacting in a particular manner. I said, I wish I could react like that. And then when somebody does not react in the correct manner, you get to learn that, okay, these are situations that keep on coming in your daily life. So this is the way you should not react. So both how to react and how not to react, I think everyone learns that from the Big Boss show.
This season, how different going to be? The format always changes. We try to make it interesting every time. How are you going to be
I am going to be exactly like the way the contestants are going to be inside. So I myself don't know कि क्या connect होगा, किसके साथ होगा, किसके साथ नहीं होगा. Who are the contestants going inside, then my rapport with them, and how they play the game. तो इट्स अ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट इसका कोई जवाब है नहीं और हम और एंडमॉल और कलर्स जितनी भी प्लानिंग कर लें बाहर से वो इट डजंट वर्क बिकॉज द contestants have their own mindset. They play their game the way they want to play it because it's like totally non-scripted. And now if somebody's now the people who are going to go into the house, they already know that they're going in, so their preparation must have already started कि मैं ये करूँगा, मैं ये ऐसा करूँगी, ऐसा करूँगा. तो वो it becomes it's their own mind now. It's their own mind, and we can't have control over anybody's mind and anyone's thoughts.
In the same thing, this is express actually. This is going to be an express thing. It's going to be a little faster. उस चीज से related है उसके लिए.
So usually जो first 2 हफ्ते जो होते हैं, you know, um, they pick up slow the first week and then the second week until the time people get to know each other. अब जब एक दूसरे को सब जान लेते हैं, then your show becomes interesting. But यहाँ पर ऐसा किया है कि जैसे घर के अंदर घुसो, हाँ, वहीं से it becomes like a really quick, fast-paced journey of the house.
Commoners are not part of the show. It's a celebrity express and commoners are not there. So do you think it will be easier for you क्योंकि जब ये commoners और celebrity की लड़ाई तो हर बात में होती है कि do not show वो नहीं होगा.
वो तो पहले भी नहीं हुआ करता था. वो जैसे वो थे मनवीर और मन्नू, वो जब आए थे as commoners, they played the game really well, and also the celebrities had to be on the back foot all the time, क्योंकि जहाँ अगर celebrity ने कुछ बोला उनको तो ऐसा देखो ये celebrity हैं. And that Mannu and Manveer understood that. But now if Mannu and Manveer go into the house with commoners, they'll get baja out big time.
सलमा जितना क्लोजली देखने के लिए या कंटेस्टेंट को समझने के लिए यू हैव टू वॉच एवरी टाइम एवरी एपिसोड. सो कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है आपके लिए ये मैनेज करना?
तो क्योंकि हम शूटिंग ऑलमोस्ट राउंड द क्लॉक, तो फिर बीच बीच में मुझे वो एपिसोड्स देखने को मिलते हैं. तो आई कीप ऑन, जहाँ जहाँ मुझे टाइम मिलता है, आई कीप ऑन वॉचिंग दोस. जैसे लंच ब्रेक में है, डिनर ब्रेक में है, या फिर वो रीरन चल रहा है रात को लेट, तो वो देख लेता हूँ. सो आई कीप ऑन कैचिंग इट, एंड देन ऑन अ फ्राइडे आई वॉच इट वंस अगेन, द होल हफ्ते का जो एपिसोड्स हैं.
Samar, how do you detach yourself from the weekend cover? Because we see a lot of contestants जो बोलते हैं कि घर पे रहकर हमारा mind ये हो गया, we are a changed person. How do आप पे कितना असर पड़ता है और घर जाने कितना?
See, I have not met anyone so far, and this is my 10th season, who has come out of the house and not grown. So anyone who's come out of the house has grown 1,000 folds. They've really got to know the meaning of how to behave and how to conduct themselves, and so financially they've grown as people. They've learned how to conduct themselves outside. So there are lots of people who have done a lot of tamasha in the house, and they have not really actually done anything outside the house. Means made it. They thought that they will create some kind of content, and they will be noticed, and they will be get a lot of work outside. Unka kuch nahi hua hai. But all the other people who played this moderately, they have done really, really well outside.
Last question, Vishaka.
शो क्या मैंने दुनिया जीत रही है. बिग बॉस शो का.
Thank you. And Simon, one thing which really pissed you off during the show.
आपके बाल भी महिला की वजह से ही गए होंगे.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you're going to see, all I can say is you're going to see a lot of me in Big Boss. Now, how and when? Stay tuned every single day.